Welcome to Bio News.
Hey, it's me and Ben here down at the Salt Marsh. We've been collecting some readings, and we've been doing a lot of fun stuff. And Ben over here, my partner, is gonna give a little bit of a gist of what we've been working on. Thank you.
Okay, so before we go down to Ryan at the Salt Marsh, I'm going to talk a little bit about a few of the cycles you need to know about. So there's the water cycle, and basically there's precipitation from the clouds. It comes down and it goes to groundwater. And the groundwater, it evaporates, goes up into the clouds, it condenses, and then it comes back down as rain, snow, whatever it is, precipitation. There's the carbon cycle next, which basically there's the carbon in the animals, and basically when it decomposes, it's going to go down into the sea. The dirt in the ground, it's going to absorb it. It's going to transform into fossil fuels, and basically then the humans, they're going to use that fossil fuel and they're going to burn it as gases. And then lastly, there's the nitrogen cycle. So basically, there's nitrogen in plants, and basically, the nitrogen fixing bacteria, it's going to go into the ground, and it's going to give the nutrients needed to different plants and decomposers, and then eventually it's going to come back up and it's going to be into plants again. So yeah, down to you, Ryan.
Alright, we're here today at the Gooseneck Cove Salt Marsh, December 15th, 2015. We've taken some water readings, and we'd like to present them to you. Our first reading is the salinity, which is 32 parts per thousand. Dissolved oxygen is 10.2 parts per thousand. The air temperature, which is 17.6 degrees Celsius, and the water temperature at 13.3 degrees Celsius. Back to you guys.
Well, so basically what Ryan was trying to say with the water quality readings is, Ryan, you're back already. You know what? You were there, so why don't you take us through what happened and what this information is all about?
Yeah, you know what, Ben? I think I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to take this seat right here, get this center of attention going. And I'm going to expand a little bit on what Ben was talking about earlier about the salt marsh and the different phenomenons we have down there. So many great things going on. I'm going to talk a little bit about the atrophic levels and the different categories that they are placed in. Now, you have your producers, which are they're near the lower, they're at the lower end of the chain. You have your primary consumers, which include such as rats, different insects, types like that. You have your secondary consumers, which can be frogs, birds, stuff like that, bigger animals, but not near the top. You've got your tertiary consumers, which the main one is snakes, because they're near the top of the levels, near the top of the chain. And then you've got your last one, which is the quaternary consumers, which includes hawks, eagles, big birds, powerful birds, such like that overpower their prey. And that's the kind of stuff we got going down at the salt marsh with our trophic levels. So, see you later.
So I'm Ben Pratt.
And I'm Ryan Crowley.
And this has been
Bio News! Catch you back at the studio.